How to use Perplexity AI Pro features. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Perplexity AI Pro feature. So what you want to do is open up your browser, type in perplexity.com or perplexity.ai. Now here's what you could do is, so to use Perplexity AI Pro feature, you need to get the upgraded version. First thing first, you want to get the subscription. So tap onto the menu bar, click the plus button and start getting the subscription by entering your credentials or your card details. Now here's what you could do is, first thing you could do a deep research. You could just go to the deep research section, toggle it on in the search bar, and here you just want to click on the search, and there you have a try pro search and get the pro version of it. And you could go ahead and do the deep research, and you could also switch between AI modes such as GPT 2.5, Cloud 4.0, Sonnet, or Gemini 3 Pro to change models, or just go to the account sections as well. And other than that, you could also enable the Pro Search toggle for complex queries. It breaks down the prompt into smaller steps and uses a code interpreter to analyze data or execute code snippet for more accurate results as well. And advanced file upload, that means pro user can upload up to 50 files per piece. You could just drag and drop or maybe tap onto the upload button and get and this way you'll be able to use the Perplexity AI Pro features. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.